Hey guys, we received this SimPure Y7T-BW-C Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. For test and try, it's a 5-stage RO water filtration system with the test and then the taste enhancing glass water pitcher. So as you can see it here comes in a really nice packing, and this is the overall design. So this is how you open up this is the water tank where you put in the water. It's have a CTO filter thing, and you can see these two filter here that you can replace and change, depends on the usage. So this is a nice quality filters as well, as you can see it here. So this one is a better than your normal pitcher because this have more filters and more capacity to filter that. Magnetic stand for the jug, and this is a water glass pitcher for the enhancing, like the taste enhancing filter on the top of it. So this is the rubber thing. So let me just take this out and clean up everything. So just take out this paper. So you can change this filter as well and then put in right here. So this is a rubber gasket. Let me just put this filter in back to the glass jug. So once this is all put, the filter thing, it goes really and fits well, no leakage of water. So as you can see, I plug it in and you can see like the filter and then different options. So it have a different size for the drink, like 12 ounce, 18, 16, 20, 32. So I'm just putting in the water tank this water thing and putting it in the system. So initially it will take some time, so I will just put only on the refresh or like the filtration thing, so that it can clean up the filters. So you have to do this cycles at least 3-4 times or 5 times, so that the filters are thoroughly cleaned and you can use it for your purpose anymore. So this will be all dirty water till the filters get refreshed. Once this is all refreshed, then you can see the quality of water is improved. So once this is all done, you can choose the drink size. You have to discard the remaining water. This will give you the warning like the replace the water for something. And now you can see this is come like pure water. I'm not using the enhancer like the filter in the jug right now, just to show it to you. So see, like the water is now clear and ready to drink. I'm just putting the enhancer filter. So this is a second filter which is coming out of the machine, and you will see like it's very smooth, no noise, no nothing, no bubblings in this water, and it's going very nice. So more clean water and taste is really good as well. So I will say it is a really efficient and better RO system or countertop one, and then requires less water for doing the clean water.